Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. And thank you. I like just got home from work, and I'm not scripting anymore. So you know what? You get what you get. Please excuse the puffy beard. Had to have a mask on all day. It was a good crypto day, man. I think pretty well across the board, it was a good crypto day. A lot of the problem is going to be, of course, the crypto goldfish memory. That what happened yesterday didn't happen at all, or what happened 5 minutes ago didn't happen at all. So I see a lot of real celebratory, can't wait stuff out there in the Tweeterverse, and I guess it's good. It's always nice to see that you have more money today than you had yesterday, but it's kind of hard to ignore the fact that Bitcoin was down so much and just absolutely decimated Ethereum. But again, when you repeat the same message over and over and over endlessly, you start to believe it. So that's that's great. Cosmos, man, it's on the up and up, and I've talked all these tokens to death. I'm not going to do it again, man. You know what? I'm just going to show you what I do. Show you a day in the life of Scott, and what we do every day, pretty much when we get home. So you know what? We're just going to third monitor it, and we're going to get right into it. And again, for those of you who are keeping score, you know what? We're just going to round it. We got just shy of $8,000 there. We have. Where's secret? We got about 35 there, so let's just call it 11, 5, 12, about 13ish. I'll take a peek at CFI real quick because again, I want to try to be thorough. Let's see where the old CFI is at, so I can get closer to my number here. Let's see. We have, as soon as it shows up. Not the rewards. I don't really care about the rewards. We have about $800. So you know what? Let's call it. We're a tad over 12 now. So what I've been doing lately is I've been taking everything that I've been getting, all of my staking rewards, all of my everything. And again, this is my YouTube wallet, so give me just a little bit of a break. I've been pulling all these lately, and I've been putting them into Stars Osmo Pool. And there's a reason for it, and I'm about to show you that reason. The neat one is that I only have, I don't know, $500 or so in there, and that number right there. So that's the bonus stars that they paid me out from yesterday, and I only have like $500 in there. So I've been pulling all of my Osmo, and I've been just building up that pool, and that pool is going to be good for a little bit. So the second airdrop, I think, is March. And actually, Madshot, if you're watching the video, please give them the exact date. You know, the crypto world's big. I don't have time to look for everything. Thank goodness that there's a podcast Discord, because there's a lot more of them than there are of me, and they will set you straight if I give you any incorrect information. But that little $3 a day is just it's nice, man. You know, I get it. It's only $3, but it's for doing nothing. And in a month, it's an extra $90. And again, I only only have like 500 stakes. So let's go ahead and just show you a quick day in the life. This was just my Osmo payout from my LPs. But let me see, what do I got there? 3.8. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that. Let me grab up what's left in here, and hopefully this makes for not a terrible video. But all I've been doing, and what I'm going to be continuing to do here until we start to get within that 14-day window of the last airdrop, is bumping up everything into that Stars Osmo pool, because that little $3, I love that. I absolutely love getting money for nothing. So if I can pump it, a couple $22 a day, something like that, with nothing out of my pocket, big fan. And we'll get to that, because I got to show you the other wallets that I'm taking care of for some people. They're very trustworthy people, and they're friends and family. So I run a couple wallets for them. And this is what you definitely want to see on a video: is see this thing sailing away while I'm waiting to collect my Osmo. Don't make me refresh the page, all right? And don't make me pay 9 cents to collect it, because I am just an absolute cheap type of bastard. And if I can get it for free, I'd prefer to get it for free. There is this thing. Did we fail? Did we fail on live video? I love that. All righty. It seems like we failed this out on live video. So let me go quick refresh, guys. Stand by. Oh my God. And I lost $2 while this thing was trying to claim. All right. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you, see if I got it loose. We'll pay the 9 cents and see if we can get. No, we can't because I think that it actually did go through. Yeah, it did go through. I love this network sometimes. So 2.5 Osmo. What is Osmo at right now? 923. So what is that? 1850, maybe 22, 23 bucks. So and again, that's daily rewards. I love just collecting. I love making $700 a month passive income doing nothing. So I want to bump the Stars Osmo pool again. So we are going to convert here down to stars if I don't blow right by it. That's what's fun about doing these as live videos. And we're going to swap the Osmo. So I got about $3 in there right now. So I don't want to do precisely half. So let's do, let's just do one Osmo. I think that'll probably be about right. 918, 1.1 actually. So we're going to swap that for the stars. We're going to do the average and see if that one will actually go through because we need to get more stars because I want to balance out the pool. I shouldn't. I just shove it in there as a single LP and let it do it for it. Let it do it itself, which it will do. But I don't want to be that lazy. So there we go, guys. Like we made the swap. So we see it got our stars. We got $13 in stars and $11 in Osmo. Damn it. Okay, you know what? We're going to do it anyway. So we're going to come over here, and this is the pool I'm talking about. Where the hell is it? Right there. Ooh, it's up today, too. I just like money. So we're going to add liquidity to it, and we'll do the max, whatever it will balance out at. So 14 stars, 1.2 Osmo. That's great. We're going to add the liquidity to the pool. And I don't know, what is that? I don't know, maybe 20, 22 bucks. So we're going to add the liquidity, and then we're going to bond it. And the reason that we're going to be bonding this and the reason that we're doing 14 days is for that little number right there, 141, but we're also doing it for that number right there. So, okay, there you go. We added 23 bucks. We're going to bond it in. We're going to max it out. We'll bond it for the 14 days, and we're going to hit it. And again, until we get closer to that last airdrop, because at that time, man, look, this thing's it's gonna go. But I want to maximize it just as much as I can until that actually goes through. So there we go. We've upped our liquidity. We're collecting that. So today we got $2.99 worth of stars. I think tomorrow we'll get about $3.07 or 8 cents, something like that. But I'm going to keep bumping that thing up as long as I can. And did we just take that much of a hit? I just lost 20. There you go. We're okay. But yeah, look, this is what I'm doing and why I'm going to continue to do it, man. I am more than happy to let these APRs compound, and I'm more than happy to get them in there at 141%, regardless of the value of the token. The fact that I'm paired with Osmo, man, is just it's a cherry on top because Osmo has been relatively stable. Now, it's not my favorite. My favorite for my fire and forget pool is that one right there, UST Osmo. Osmo is relatively stable, and UST is, and they're going to pay me 132% while I'm doing it. And you know what? They're even going to throw a little bit of little fringe, a little Luna dust your way for having it staked in or bonding into that LP. So I'm a big fan of that. Aside from all of those things, you know what? Let's show you Dad's wallet. I told him I was going to start doing this on the video. So my dad started with $2,500. It was about $2,380 by the time we got it from Coinbase over to here. So I thought I could show you Dad's wallet. We bonded half of it in Juno, and Juno. So we put $1,100 in there, and it's $2,120 right now. And the rest of it, the other half of it, we put, oh look, UST Osmo right there, for the same reason, man. I'm collecting those Osmo rewards every day that we turn around. We put more in it, and we're just letting it compound because that's what you do. So Dad has almost. He's increased about 60% of his total holdings, and he's done it in 5 days. So 60% in 5 days. Welcome to Cosmos. And there's a few other wallets out there. There's no point in showing you those. I'm sure you guys get the rub by now. Secret is the one that's moving right now, and they got a lot going on. They've been kicking out. They're continuing to update their roadmap and kicking that thing out. I think that's the one that I'm really holding on to and waiting is going to be Secret and CFI. Those are probably the last two that I'm willing to stake for less. I'm willing to stake the CFI at 22 or 23%, and I'm willing to stake the Secret at the same number because I'm thinking longer term on these ones. But as far as the rest of it, man, look, you guys see where my money is. All right, I'm staked heavy in Osmo for the airdrops. I'm staked in Atom for the airdrops. I'm staked in Secret for the airdrops. And everything else that's loose, I am in pools. This is not my wallet. That's my dad's wallet. 1 second, please. Everything else up there, man, I'm staked real heavy in pools. And my actual wallet is basically is the same layout, just more zeros. I'm gonna just continue to hit the hell out of these things here because those big APRs, man, they're gonna as long as they last, I'm going to ride them. It makes no mathematical sense to me whatsoever to give up 60, 70, or 80% APR to what? To go after what? What am I actually looking for here? This is going to be the next pool, 592. I'm going to be shoving into that one because I think Bitsong is going to. That's my next one. Bitsong is going to recover back to where it should have been, and while I'm waiting for it to recover, I'm going to collect 143% on it, as well as getting bonus Bitsong because you know what's great is just bonus money. So anyway, guys, that's once around the horn. What I'm doing and what I continue to do every single day. I will bring you some more opinion editorial videos when I get a chance. Work's been just beating me up. So in the meantime, hope you liked it. Hope you got some takeaways. And let me say, I tried that last time. I'll try it one more. I might have 200,000 boot. Whomever can name the movie that you first saw this character. I need the character name. I need the movie. And I need your boot address. And the first one that makes it to the comments, I'm going to send you 200,000 boot from the podcast. And everybody give it up for the boot because, like it or not, if you get a meme coin, if you get a meme coin, one that is paying you, I hope I got 200,000 or else I'm going to look silly. If you get, yeah, know what? I'm going to send you 140,000 boot. That's what you get. But if you get a meme coin one that is paying you 119.22% while you stake. Just saying, math is your friend on this. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick one in, out. Until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money, and we will see ya.